Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a... Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my classic size happy planner. And I am planning for the week of, let's see, the last week in March, March 28th through April 3rd. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off the disc. And for this week, I have pulled one of my new Happy Planner books. This is Happy Blooms, and I just found this book at Michael's, so I am excited to use it. And along with it, I've pulled my Colorful Boxes book and the newest Rainbow Colorful Boxes sticker book. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that's it. I am done. Let me go ahead and put these back on the disc. And I just so happened to be in Michael's and picked up this sticker book. My Michael's has not had Happy Planner products in quite a long time. So I was really surprised to see that this sticker book was there in stock. So really pretty florals, really pretty for the springtime. Love it, love it. So for my VB pens this week, I think I'm going to go with the colors in the spread. Let's see. I think I want to pull this one. That is Clementine. And that's one of the rainbow release pens. So Clementine and how about this one, As If, I believe that's the name of it. So kind of bright though. I don't know. I may pull that one back out. That is really bright, even though it matches really well. Let's see. Let's see half this one. This one is Yuletide. So let's see. I think that kind of tones it down a little bit. So maybe I'll go with those two. Or, okay, I've got it, y'all. Sorry. This is going to be really good. So this one is Hawaiian Sunset. Yes, I love it. All right. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.